Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about the basic HTML tag. Today we will learn about different formatting tags of HTML5 so that our web page looks beautiful. For this I will open my editor. I will make new file, use a file, new HTML create, right? I will set the title of my web page. We have some text in a paragraph, that is para. Here I type two paragraphs so that I will explain some formatting tags one by one. So I will start with bold tag. Bold tag is the B tag, right? in our first paragraph in our first paragraph I want to bold Agile Mentor. I will start the bold character, start with B and end with slash B, right? Forward slash B, right? I will save it. I will save the file save. My path is G, HTML5, name will be formatting tag, right? I will reload the page. Here you can see it. Agile Mentor is bold and other text is shown as it is, right? The other tag is strong tag. It is similar to the bold tag. There is no difference between bold tag and strong tag. I will show how we use it. I want to strong the YouTube channel, right? I will start the tag strong and end with forward slash strong, right? I will save it. I will reload the page, right? Here you can see it. YouTube channel is bold and this is bold using B, this is bold using strong, right? The other tag is the italic tag. If I want some text in italic form, then I will use the italic tag. It will start with I and end with forward slash I, right? I will save it and reload the page. You can see it. Please subscribe it in italic form. There's one more tag is the em tag. It is similar to the I tag, means italic tag, right? I will show how we can use it. Now I want to implement eme on share it with your friends, right? You can see it, share it with your friend is also italic but using eme tag. There is no difference between I tag and em tag, right? Now I will tell you one more tag is the underline tag. It will start with U. I want to underline the please subscribe it, right? I will start U and one point is very important in HTML5, the tag open first. It will close at the end, right? You can see it. I start first and it will close at the end. Inside the I tag, I am using the underline tag, right? We can see it, right? You can see it. Please subscribe. It is italic and also underline. I hope with the practical work of each formatting tag, you understand it very easily. For any query or issue, you can comment me in the comment section so that I will guide you more. Today, next tag is the highlight tag. You know, when we have notes and in notes we want some word should be highlighted, we use the highlighter. But in web page, if we want some text should be highlighted, we will use the mark tag. I will explain you how we can use it, right? We want Rizwan Shehzad should be highlighted, then I will use the mark tag, right? You can see it. Rizwan Shehzad is highlighted with yellow color. One more tag is very important is the del tag. For example, if we have an online store and we want to show the old and new price of a product, then we will use the del tag, right? I will show you, right? I will use the del on 500, right? I will reload the page, right? You can see it. You can see it on 500. There's a line in the middle of the 500 is with lines, so it's the old price. And also one more tag is the ins tag, right? It also used for the product price, right? For new price, I will use the ins tag, right, on 400, right? I will save it and reload it. You can say it, there's a line under the 400 using instat. It shows old price of twice rupees 500, new price is 400, right? Now we will talk about some tag for mathematics, right? The first mathematics formatting tag is the superscript tag, right? If I have the equation y, y square plus 12 y square plus 12 is equal to 4. I will save it and reload the page, right? It will show as not a y square, it shows 2 with the y. So for this we will use the superscript tag, right? I will use the sub short and sub close, right? I will save it and reload the page. Now you can see it is now square is shown properly above the y, right? And one more tag for mathematics is the subscript tag. Usually sub tag is used for log base 2. We will save it and show. Reload the page, it will show 2 with the log, but I want to show as a base. So for this we will use the sub tag, right? I will save it and reload the page. Now it will show as log base 2. In HTML, when we click on some link, it shows some title on the text. So for this we will use one more tag is the ABBR tag, right? It will show when our mouse is over the link or text, right? I will show how we can use it. For it, we will use the attribute in this tag. Attribute name is title. We will save it. When our mouse is over the text HTML, it shows the title using the ABBR tag, hypertext markup language, right? Now I will tell you about the busy color tag. If we want to change the color of our web page, then we will use the busy color tag in our body tag, right? In the opening of the body tag, right? I will bg color, I will type red, right? I will save it and reload the page. Now you can see our web page color is red, right? Now I will tell you the about to change the color of a paragraph text. Then I will use the tag is the font tag, right? Font, in font we will use the attribute color, right? I will type white. I will end here, right? Now you can see it here. All the text inside the paragraph is right, is white. Now I will tell you one more tag is the center tag. If I want to set the paragraph in the center of a web page, then I will use the center tag uh, in paragraph, right? Center, right? I will save it and reload the page. You can see it, this paragraph is in the center of a web page. Now I will tell you now I will tell you the last but the more important tag is the command tag. Usually, when a developer write a code of HTML page, he can comment something so that the command code will not read by the browser. It will helpful for the developer if after some month he see the code. By seeing the command, he can understand the logic of our code, right? I will tell you how to use the command code, right? We will start this and this, right? I write some text in the command code. It will when I will save it. When I will open in the browser, the command code is not shown. It is useful for the developer, right? You you can see the command and notes are not visible here. If the developer is left the job, when new developer come to the job, he can understand by reading the command uh, by reading the text in the command tags, right? I hope you understand it very well. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.